Every caller who reaches your line wants one thing: to get to the right person fast. That's what a phone menu is for. So let me show you how to build one on Allo that routes each caller in seconds to a person, a team, or even your AI. It lives right in your numbers settings under phone menu, and Allo lays it out as a visual flow. A call comes in, it hits your menu, and from there it branches out. To build it, you open the designer. First, the greeting your callers actually hear. You don't record anything, you type what you want it to say, and Allo turns it into a natural spoken message. Something like, "Thanks for calling, choose from the following options." Now the part that really matters, what each key actually does, and you have real choices. Press 1, Sales. I'll ring the whole line, so every phone on the team lights up at once and the first person free picks up. Press 2, Support. Instead of ringing anyone, I hand the call straight to the AI receptionist. It answers, understands what they need, and helps, even when the whole team is busy. Press 3, Billing. I forward it to a specific number, maybe our accountant's direct cell, so those calls skip us entirely and go where they belong. And press 4, Hours and Directions. I just play a short recorded message and hang up, because nobody needs to pick up to tell someone when we open. You can even chain steps together, so if a ring goes unanswered, it drops to voicemail on its own. Every option is one small decision about how that kind of call should be handled. When it looks right, you hit publish, and the whole menu goes live on your line right away. It takes effect the moment you save it, and you can come back and rearrange any of it in seconds. And that's it. Now you know how to build a phone menu with Allo.